Emergency alert system. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Denton County and northwestern Collin County until 10:15. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across portions of northeastern Denton and northwestern Collin counties. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen in some of these areas. Locations that could experience flooding include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Allen, Collin, Pilot Point, Crossroads, and Melissa. Once again, a flash flood warning has been issued for northeastern Denton County and for northwestern Collin County until 10:15 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Once again.
Right now.
Package member may help turn the tables.
The 80s nightclub.
Thunderstorm cluster right now over northeastern Denton and central Collin County.
If you haven't made plans for the